This is a look at the snap-on 3/8 techangle torque wrench. Grab this out of here. This down. Pull up a seat and you can take a look at it on the cat house. The one thing that I really don't like about this is that it doesn't move very far. That's the only one thing I really don't like about this tool. Everything else is fantastic. You just stick it down, you press the eye to turn it on, you let it calibrate, and there's different measurements that you can do foot-pounds. So you get a better light on this. Inch pounds. Yeah, it says inch pounds. And there's your angle set. Angle is nice. If you've ever used one of those garbage angle gauges, gotta set it up, stick it on the head, tighten them a certain degree without that damn thing moving. Oh my god, I got so mad. I threw that thing out of my car and I smashed it with a hammer. Those things are garbage. Ugh. Made by OTC Stinger. That Chinesium crap. I threw that away quick. And I went out and bought this. It made life so easy. And then you got your Newton meters. Can you see that better like that? Is it tilted up? Yeah, you can, can't you? Not by a whole great deal. Then you got your foot-pounds. Inch pounds. There we go. Angle. Newton meters. And you got your back to foot-pounds. And it's great. Let's see how low it'll go. It goes from 5 foot-pounds all the way to 100 foot-pounds. .60 inch-pounds to 1200 inch-pounds. .5 degrees to 360 degrees. 6.8 Newton meters to 135.6 Newton meters. This is a great wrench. I can't say anything bad about it except for the angle of tilt. It's not a lot, but it's enough if you got a car or the truck lifted up and you just need that tiny bit of flex to get on that fastener. It's a great torque wrench. I personally wouldn't suggest going out and buying the newest version of it. It's the same thing with extra lights on it. I've been told that by the snap-on rep myself, so I'm happy with it. I didn't pay a whole great deal. I think I paid like $250 for it. Great deal compared to what, like $600 new. $600 new. So that's a snap-on torque angle. It's a great torque wrench, but I still prefer my set of where's this thing? I still prefer the old click type Armstrongs. Nothing wrong with snap-on clicker type, but I just prefer the Armstrong ones. They feel a lot better. It's more better grip. I just like them better. Never had a problem with them. So let's look at some torque wrenches. If you wanna look at anything, I'll do a review on the full line of the Armstrong torque wrenches if you guys want. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.